Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to manage code, track changes, collaborate with developers or connect Lovable to real development workflows, integrating it with GitHub is the most professional setup in 2026. Most confusion comes from misunderstanding what connect means, repo permissions, unpublished exports, or expecting live two-way sync. We will clear all of that up. Okay, so in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Lovable to GitHub in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, prepare your GitHub repository. Okay, so in GitHub, log into GitHub. Okay, so GitHub you should have a account in this website. Okay, so click new repository. Okay, name it, for example, Lovable website or something. Choose public or private. Create the repository. Okay, do not add files yet. Lovable will populate it. So now connect GitHub account to Lovable. So in Lovable, go to settings. Okay, so select GitHub, click connect GitHub, and authorize Lovable to access. Okay, so choose the the repository you created. If you skipped permissions, export will fail. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.